Hello everyone! While the Tomato Tote Bag craze is still going strong, I'm excited to show you how to make a cute tomato scrunchie to match your bag. This is a perfect accessory for a matching moment with your Tomato Tote Bag. You can use it for the beach or a summer day out. This scrunchie is very easy and beginner-friendly, so you can try making it before starting the Tomato Tote Bag. I will make a slip knot. Chain 100. After chaining 100, now I will straighten the chain to the correct side. The right side is here. Slip stitch into the first chain. Now I will start round 1 as follows. Chain 4. Mark the third chain. These first 4 chains count as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Now for the next stitch. Skip 1 chain below. Make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1. Repeat this step to the end of the round. After reaching the end of the round, there will be 1 stitch left. Skip this stitch. Slip stitch in the marked stitch to finish round 1. Now round 1 is complete. Continue with round 2. Chain 4. Also mark the third chain. Now I will make the next stitch as follows. Skip 1 chain below. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch here, instead of inserting the hook as usual. Into this space. Insert the hook into the body of the stitch below. After inserting, you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and complete a double crochet. Chain 1. Now repeat this step and this technique to the end of the round. This method creates a straighter mesh line compared to the usual method. If you insert the hook into the side here, the mesh may look slightly slanted. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish the round. Now round 2 is complete. From round 3 to round 9, repeat the same pattern as round 2. I will see you again after finishing round 9. After completing round 9, flip the scrunchie inside out like this. After flipping it inside out, now I will tie this piece like this. And insert the black elastic band. Insert it like this. Now I will join the 2 ends of this rectangle. I will start joining from where I am working to here, and join to the first stitch. The first stitch is here. I will join it like this. Here I will start by chaining 3. Pull the yarn tail a little. Next, I will use the hook. Insert it into the first stitch here. Now I will pull this yarn end all the way through. Chain 1. Now 1 stitch is joined. Next, I will join the second stitch. The second double crochet is the stitch on the lower side. I am working on the lower side here. Now I will make a double crochet here. After making a double crochet, I will hold it here. Then insert the hook into the second stitch on the upper side. Insert the hook. Pull this yarn through. Chain 1. For the third stitch, repeat the same steps. Make a double crochet. Insert into the third stitch on the upper side. Pull through and chain 1. Now I have both crocheted double crochet stitches and joined the 2 sides together. Continue the same way to the end of the round. After reaching the last stitch of round 10, chain 1 and slip stitch into the first stitch to finish. Chain 2 and cut the yarn. Use a needle to weave in the ends inside. Now the scrunchie is complete. Next, we will crochet the tomato stem as follows. Make a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. Tighten the ring. Make a slip stitch. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Continue with round 2 as follows. Chain 1. Work 1 single crochet into the same stitch and mark it. Work another single crochet into the same stitch. So in the first stitch we increase from 1 stitch to 2 stitches. Now continue increasing in the remaining stitches. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Slip stitch into the marked stitch to finish the round. Here, chain 7. Turn your work. Make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Work single crochet in the next 2 chains. Work half double crochet in the next 2 chains. Work 1 double crochet in the last chain. Skip 1 stitch below. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Now 1 tomato leaf is complete. Repeat the same pattern for the next 5 leaves. After finishing the last leaf, skip 1 stitch below. Slip stitch into the first stitch here. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Leave a long tail. Now I will sew the leaves onto the scrunchie like this. For the sewing position, stitch into the inner corners like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sew on the inner side. Now the tomato scrunchie is complete. Wish you success.